Morning folks, it's Tony from Gagnon's Mountain Homestead. So we're back here with the critters. We're going to take care of the critters this morning. We haven't showed you this in a while. I don't think we've shown you since the warmer weather. So instead of filling up a bucket for the back critters, we have our rainwater collection system here that we use. Just collect rainwater off the barn, goes into the tote. And we can fill our bucket. So we're going to go give some water to the chickens, let the chickens out, and then we'll take care of the goats. So let's get to it. See, it's still mud season. It's pretty muddy out here. Just slid a little bit. Here they come. Look out, chickies. I see two eggs. Morning, goats. They're waiting. Good morning, goats. You can see Diana's still on her perch. Goats are all waiting on us. Yes, goats. Here you go, Diana. There's some hay. I know you. Oh, you slipped. Come on, girl. Come on. I know. You're getting bigger. There you go, sweetie. Hey, Benj. Filling the goat's water the same way with the rainwater collection. Look out, goody goats. You stay in, Zan. So there we go, the goats are taken care of. Not sure how much you can tell on camera, but the girls are getting really big. They're due to kid next week or the week after. So we got to get the boys out of here. We showed you some work we did on the barn. We got to finish up today. Alright, so here's the deal. It's raining right now, but I got about 2 hours before I got to be somewhere. So I got to go and get that gate put up on the boys' barn that I showed you me making the other day. So we're going to go do that right now. This is our 30-inch gate, and now we're just going to cut some strips. There we go. Yeah, it's a little muddy out here, but oh well. We do what we can. So we got that gate we built. We're going to put it right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring the gate over and I'm going to hinge it to the barn, and then we're going to put a hook somewhere on that tree right there to hold it. Alright, so what I want to do, I'm just going to put the gate right here. I'm going to put the hinges on the barn and then open it and put a hook on the tree. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to put the hinges on the gate. Little bit is better than nada. Sometimes we want the good and straight. So we just moved it about 2 or 3 inches over. That's good right there. Alright, that should work like that. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to screw it back in again. We'll come around this side if I can get you out of the fence. So what we got is, there's our gate right there. See? And what we got to do is in here, we'll put an eye hook in the tree to hold it in. And that'll work just wonderfully. I'm not quite sure how to get you to see me doing this, but I'll just show you what I'm going to do. And then I'll do it. So all I'm going to do is I'm probably going to put it up here, an eye hook, and that'll just hold the gate closed. I'll put a hook here. I got the hook right here. This long one. Where is it? Right there. That long hook will go in the fence, and the eyelet will go right there, and no problem. So there we are. We have our loop in the tree and our hook. We can just pull the gate and latch it there. Trying to do it one-handed and backwards. Let's try it this way. We can pull the gate and latch it right there. So now the boys will be stuck in there. We can go in like this. I come outside. Where are we? Trying to see me. Switch hands again. We can just latch the gate. And that's what it begins. Ooh, tripping all over the place. And there's the gate from this side. The boys won't be able to get through. So they're locked in there. We've got the board across the bottom and the back. We've got a board across the bottom on the side. We've got this board here for that hole. And then we put chicken wire up here so they can't try to climb between the fence and the barn and get over. So we're ready to move the boys back in here. The gate that was where the barn is, we're going to put over there. We're going to dig a hole, sink some posts for the gate. We'll probably mount the gate to the tree, and then we'll sink some posts over here to latch it to and to hold the fence, because we got to cut the fence. So that'll be coming up. But for now, we're ready to put the boys in here. We can get into the fenced area through our little gate there. Coolio. So folks, that's going to do it from the mountain from today. Try that again. So folks, that's going to do it from the mountain for today. We hope you enjoy our videos. Please tell everybody about us. We got kidding coming up real soon, like in a week or so. 2, 3, I don't know. The next week or two we should have babies. So that's going to do it, folks. You know what to do, all the YouTubey stuff. And as always, from the mountain, folks, God bless.